Welcome to day 2 and the second to last kit for the 12 days of stickers. So for day 2, I went a little different. This is the Baked with Love kit, and I just wanted it to be a little bit more different than a normal traditional like Valentine's Day kit, because you can also use this whenever you feel like baking. And who doesn't love those donuts and strawberries right there? So that is day 2. Make sure you check the description for the deal of the day, and also if you want to purchase all these kits, make sure you also check the description for that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the very last day.